Alright guys, I welcome you guys to this wonderful second part of the virtual top-up website creation. Okay, so the previous video we dropped earlier on, you know how you notice how to actually design the front end of the VTU website. Okay, so now we are going to the admin section, how to actually integrate and input every details in your admin section. Okay, so we are going to do the admin right now. So I'm going to walk you through the interface, the layout of how to actually design the admin section of a VTU website. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I want you guys to do something for us. Just hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment and share as I walk you through this VTU website. So now from your screen you can see this is my cPanel dashboard. Okay, and the other video I created two subdomain because I wanted to use one for my front end and the other for my admin dashboard. So I finished the one for the front end. Now I'm actually going to do the admin dashboard. So now that's what I'm going to do. So I'll go to my file manager. Okay, so I'm going to locate that training public underscore HTML. So I'm going to I actually created two, just ChatGPT and training. So I'm going to go to my training. Now I'm going to impute the file I will use here. Okay, so where is it? I guess that should be my desktop and VTU here. VTU script. Okay, so let me check, is there anything here? Okay, VTU beta software, let me be sure. VTU scripts, just want to be sure. Okay, so I'm going to go with this and drag and drop. Alright, so I'm going to upload the file. Alright, so wait patiently for the file to actually upload successfully. Okay, now you can see from your screen the file has been uploaded successfully. So we're going to click on this, we cancel this. Now we are going to extract the file. Extract. Okay, click on extract. Okay, so just click on highlight everything. So come here, open this. Check my network. Okay, so we see from here, these are the files inside the VTU script. So what you do, you just highlight all. Now you right click, then you copy or move. So we are going to move this folder or this file rather to training. Okay, for you have to just move it to accounts. Okay, I told you to create an account. Also domain should be an account. So this, I'm going to move this off and leave it at training. So I click on move. So you're going to move all this file to the word training, so that when I come over this place, it's meant to show by refreshing. Let's see. Now what is telling you right now is 500 error 500. That means we are actually on the right track. So now for this particular admin to actually show here, you have to do some other settings. Okay, so what you have to do is now click on this your dashboard, head over to your main dashboard right now. You have to create a database. That's the next step. Create a database. Now I'm going to create a database for this. So I'm going to come here, put it VTU 20. You can actually put any name at all. I want to use this. So I click on advanced mode, then click on this to generate a password. All these things you will need them to set up your database so that your this thing can able to show your main page will be able to show. So without all these things, it won't show. So you have to get all these details on your notepad. So I'm going to paste my password here. Then after that, click on create. Now I'm going to sticky click on my password to just make sure that it's saved, so there is no error. Okay, then head back, click on this. The username and database are actually the same, so you can just click only on one. So you don't really need it, but you can actually click on it too, but you don't need it. So this is localhost. So now that you have stored all this on your notepad, you can actually cancel this. Now you need to still head back to your database. You can see what I created. You click on manage. Now we need to upload the file. You need to upload the file. So now I'll click on import. So now let me get the SQL file. Look at the SQL here. I need to get the SQL file. It's here, database. So this is what I'm looking for. So this is not the one I'm looking for, not this one. So let me go to this here, VTU. So I need to get this out from here, extract, then bring this out and let it be here. Okay, so now let me see VTU. Now you can see it's now out. So I click on it, then I open it, then I click on yes. So wait for it to upload successfully. Okay, before doing anything, you have to wait for it to actually upload. Okay, be patient. No, don't rush. Okay, now it's done, complete. Okay, so what next we're going to do, we have to head back to our zip dashboard, then locate your file manager. Locate the directory is actually stored in your website file, public_html. I'm going to locate training for you. You have to locate account folder. At this point now, you have to locate DB. Look for any file that you see that is called DB. Now this DB, you click on it, you right click and click on edit. So we are going to now impute all those database you actually save here. Okay, you save it here, you also save it here. Now let's do that right now. Head back. So data, look at the localhost is already there. The host is localhost, and this is the database name. Click on database name. Control C to click to copy. Now look at database name, the DB name. You change it to whatever you have. Save it as username is same thing. You paste it. Now the password, look at what I'm doing in between the two apostrophe. You have to put in your details. The two apostrophe you are seeing, they put in your details. Okay, so don't just put it anywhere. If not, it should not actually record well and should not really affect or reflect on or do the work it's meant to do. So I'm going to click on this as my password. Control C to copy. Then what I'm doing in between them, I paste. So the same thing applies to this. The password, this, the DB name and username, the same thing. What you see, the username, change it, and you also change it here too. Then you save. So now you save. Now let's check our website. So you can see our wonderful website, our login dashboard. This is our login dashboard. You can see it's working perfectly. So if you actually do not put in those details properly, this particular page will not show. That means you need to go back to the database and set up a database properly for it to actually work well. Okay, so now you have gotten to this page. What you have to do now, okay, you can see if you come here, click on create account, to take you to the sign up page. You can see where user can actually sign up. Okay, so you click here where user can actually log in. So the next question you should ask yourself, where is my admin page? So that's the next stage I'm going to take you now in this video, the admin stage. So for now, if you love what you have been sharing so far, since, do well to just subscribe to this channel right now, like, comment and share. Okay, do that right now as we walk you through on how to get to your admin dashboard. So now let me now walk you through the admin section. So now once you're given a script, you have got to this page and you want to get the admin they use. There are two things. Now, is either the person who sold the script to you tells you the admin, or if it doesn't tell you the admin, now this is what you do. You get back to your file manager. Okay, now all the files, look through them. So all the folder, look into the folder carefully. Look into the folder carefully and locate where you see admin or administrator. Admin or administrator. Now we check here, and what I'm seeing here is the VTU control. That means this is the control panel. Okay, so what you have to do now is just to come over to this place, remove this logo you're seeing over here, and put VTU control, and you click on enter. You will see how to actually take you to the admin login. Have you seen it? Admin login. So now for now, I won't tell you everything. Okay, so now for those who will get this, I will tell you the admin login details. Okay, so let me log in. Click. Okay, so I'll log in, and voila, this is our dashboard. This is our admin dashboard. You can see how it is. So this is actually something similar to B points, something similar to what Lord actually did in his own B point app and website. Okay, B point is all about VTU, and this is actually a VTU website. Okay, so with this, you've gotten the idea you need to know on how to create a VTU website. So we are into the business of selling airtime, recharge card, e-pin, scratch card for WAEC, NECO, we want to pay utility bill for NEPA, SOI, PACN, EDC, whatever light division complaint you want to pay for, you want to subscribe your decoder. You actually get your own website, or your own company. Let me call it company because it's really a company. Get your own company, you start under CAC, and you start your business with this. You start your business and you start in eco cash. Okay, you can actually upload this, you can actually get an app. Okay, because that app, I'm going to put it in the part 3. Okay, you can actually get your app, upload on Play Store, then let everybody know about your app, run ads through it, then you're global. Okay, so now let's go to our dashboard. These are admin dashboard. So now let's check the pages one after the other. Let's go to payments, notification, affiliate payment. So all these things, you come, click on it, make the necessary edits. You want to make the necessary edit. Services, check here, add new service. You want to add the new service, put it here, Service name, pick, look at the size you are asked to use. So do not use any size that's above or below this. Okay, service URL, action button. You want to add new service. Alright, so your credit wallet, add your credit wallet here, credit type, reversal credit. You want to reverse somebody's money, or you want to credit somebody's airtime or anything, you do that. Customer email, amount, order. This way, when any complaint has actually come, this way you actually do the necessary reversal or anything undo. Okay, so you from here you can see more services here, broadcast. You can debit somebody's account. You want to debit somebody's account, you can actually recharge. Look at load recharge pin. You come here, select the network, MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile, Glow. You can see it here. Select how much, 100, 200, 400, 500, 750, 1005. Then the pin, you can see it here. You can join your own pin too. Okay, you can see it here. That's for charge pin, pin pricing. You want to sell your own pin, MTN pin 98. You want to sell your own pin, you can see configure it here, save settings, charge pin. Okay, subscription billing, you want to subscribe 1 month, 2 months, you can see it here. Okay, so you go through everything, you see that everything is just here for you to actually do. You set up or your upgrade fee, they are all here for you to do. Okay, transaction, check your transaction. Then you come to your settings, fixing your setting, your site setting, your payment. Okay, now this is somewhere I'm going to explain very well right now. Now we have Paystack and Flutterwave for you to receive payment. Okay, so you need to register on Paystack, or you have to register on Flutterwave. So you can actually use one, you can actually use two, you can actually use both of them. You can also use coin payments using your cryptocurrency. You can use coin payments to receive your funds. Okay, so there's nothing you cannot actually use. You want to use your cryptocurrency, use your cryptocurrency. You want to Flutterwave, you can use Flutterwave. Anything you want to use, you can actually use it. Okay, but for our advice today, we will just advise you guys. Okay, do not use Paystack or Flutterwave for sporty anything that has to do with betting. Okay, because Flutter or Paystack will actually ban your account. So if you want to do that, you can actually use coin payments for that one. Then others can actually go with Paystack or Flutterwave. Okay, there are more settings. You can actually now come here, add your local bank. Okay, you can see different banks in Nigeria. You can actually add your local bank and put in your bank account details. So you actually receive funds. Like you want to do a manual payment, but if you're using Paystack or Flutterwave, which is going to be automatic, so you don't need to do anything yourself. All you have to just be using your phone to check your transactions. But if you're using your bank, you need to do all these things manually. Okay, you have to do them manually. All right, so your country you can actually look at. So once you have set all these things, then your account is good to go. Your account is actually good to go. Okay, you can see I've walked you through the admin dashboard. Okay, so now for actually anybody can actually register, you need to do one thing, because I can't register in that site to actually log into user account. So what you have to do, let's go to site settings and set up something very important. Okay, EP portal, EP Nigeria. Okay, this is your portal name, admin. Okay, API. Okay, you can actually use, okay, look at, you can actually use Monify. Monify is another means of payment, so it's recommended you use Monify also. Except for Monify, it's actually make you do automatic transaction, and it's actually very fast. Okay, it's very fast. You can actually use money transfer API. All these API are very fast. Okay, you don't need to do anything at all. They are very fast. They'll do it for you, and it's actually accepts every payment. Unlike Paystack and Flutterwave, that don't accept it. One last you spread and betting, but this Monify actually accept betting. Okay, so like I said, I wanted to do something. Let me see. Where is it? Like money? No, not you. API settings, money transfer, ASN transaction settings. Let's check security. Admin, okay, that's when you want to change my account. Okay, that means I can actually log in that. So now let me see if I can actually log in. So if I should come here, Ctrl+C to copy. I open a new Windows. And I paste URL. Okay, I don't want this fee. So now let me see if I can actually create an account and log in successfully. So let me see. Email. Okay. Password. Okay, phone number. Okay. Right, so let me remove this so I can actually log in. So I'll go to API settings, fallback, API settings. Let me go to settings, set settings. I need to remove this reCAPTCHA because this reCAPTCHA is not valid. So if you want to get your reCAPTCHA, you have to just click on reCAPTCHA so you get your own reCAPTCHA. So but for me it's not valid, so I have to remove this reCAPTCHA so I can actually log in. No entry, no, okay. I don't want this reCAPTCHA. Let me just, I don't want this reCAPTCHA. Let me save. Let me see if I can create account. Oh, sorry about this. And see the capture, it must be set for this actually can actually go. Okay, so actually I'm not going to confirm by a capture because this is actually for educational purpose. So now this is just okay. Let me just fix something, just fix it to just make it easy for you to see how the dashboard looks like. Let me just go to capture. My project, I agree. I agree. Label. You need to put your sites there. Let me put my sites here. Ctrl+C. Capture. Ctrl+V. Score base V3. Let me see what we have there. I log in. So it says reCAPTCHA. Where is it? reCAPTCHA V2. You need to get the one for V2. This is what we are looking for. Okay. Add domain. Let's submit. Now these are copied. Copy this. Copy site key. Hope you are seeing it. Copy the site key. Site key. We have to paste it here. And the secret key. You can see. Copy the secret key and paste it here. Then save changes. You can actually see and change your logo. You want to change your logo. Okay, so now that that has been done, let's go back here and refresh. Continue. You can see now it's working perfectly. So now let's log in. Okay, all right. So now put the password and a demo number. I am not a robot. Okay, now create account. Enter a valid phone number. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so well, I'm not a robot. Create account. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's see. It's meant to work right now. It's meant to work. Create account. Okay, verification mode has been sent to my email. So now let me log into my email. Now you can see pay here. Now this is the code you're looking for. So I have to copy this code and paste it here. You can see that this is very secured. Okay, it's not going to be easy for anybody to come and just hack this settings or this website. Okay, it's well secured. All right, account. So it's going to log me in. Now let's log in. Let me log in. Okay. Now it is taking me to my dashboard. Okay. Let's see how our dashboard is now. Look at our dashboard. You can see our login dashboard. This is not so wonderful. It is not so superb. It is not so extraordinary. I so much love the design. As much as you can see, you can generate token, pay for SMEs, renew your DSTV decoder, anything at all you want to do, anything at all you can see. You can see. And see actually, so you come here, you just do anything you want to do here. Okay, you said do your settings. So now I'll walk you through how you can actually install and how you can actually design the front end. Also walk you through how you can actually design your admin panel. I'll walk you through your user panel right now. So now one more thing before I call it a wrap. I will show you now how you can actually put in the link of your user registration page and login page into your front end. So whenever somebody comes into your front end and click login or click registration, they will be able to register into the website easily. Okay, so now that's what I'm going to do before I call it a wrap. And in a couple of videos I'm going to show you I can actually put in your live chats into websites, into HTML websites, or your translator. You want to put your translator, I'll show you how to do that. I've done it in one video, but I'm going to show you in other consequent videos to come. Alright, so now let me show you how you can try to do whatever all these things I've done so far. Now when I have to log out. Now that I've logged out, now this is my login page. I'll come here, highlight all, Ctrl C to copy. I'll go to my notepad and put in that link in my notepad. Same thing applies to registration. So I'll click on registration. I'll save the user and the link rather. I'll go to my notepad and save it there too. Okay, so now all you have to do right now is now go back to my cPanel dashboard. Now I have to locate the front end file. If you like whatever I'll be showing so far, please don't forget to actually subscribe to this channel right now. Like, hit that bell you're seeing on your screen, comment and share. Okay, so now I'll click on public_HTML. Now I saved that front end in my ChatGPT. Click on it, open. Now I'll start taking one after the other. We have the home page, about us, contacts, the seller. So I'll take the page one after the other. I'll just have to do one so you can actually use and learn the others. Okay, so I'll start from the home page. Index.html is the home page. I'll click on edit. So now this is where you need to be careful with your code, because whatever you tamper there with actually has altered the design. Okay, so you need to be very careful. Now when you see this sign up here, okay, what you have to do is just come over here where you're seeing is brightbuilds.com. Okay, and go and paste in your sign up link. Look at this, your login now. Go back to your and click that login button, that login link rather. Copy it and you go there and you paste it. Okay, so you save. You don't just cancel, you need to be careful, look down and search for everywhere you see. Look at this one now. This is portal. So for portal, you just have to put in the login page. Login. Now this one now, registration. You can see it's hiding here. Registration. You change it. You wrote the registration link. Ctrl C to copy. Now Ctrl V to paste. And we notice I actually put them in between those two apostrophe mark. Okay, so be careful while you're doing the same thing applies to this one too. Be very careful. There's registration, you put in the link for registration. Same thing applies to this. You go copy the link for the login and put it here for the login also. So with this, you are learning the basics of what HTML. This is just the base of HTML. So you don't really need to stress yourself learning how to code from scratch. The main goal of every website designer is to actually deliver your site to your client and make sure your client actually smiles. So the client does not want to know that you are coding from scratch, or you are coding from the head, or you are coding from the ground, or you are coding. Give me what I want. You understand? So now that I've gotten this knowledge, you can actually just use this and give your clients whatever you want. Okay, and your clients will love it and will always be happy and you actually gave him exactly what he wants. Okay, So now this is just everything about VTU website that is similar to the B points we all talk about. Okay, this is not actually B points website, it's just something similar to B points. Alright, so walk around, learn, use the video to practice, learn. I've learned video how to get a free domain. You want to practice WordPress, you can check my bio, you see link of how to get a free domain and learn more on WordPress on your own. Okay, show you videos on how you can actually create a cryptocurrency website. I'm still going to drop more Korea, I'm still going to drop more Korea delivery websites, and every other website I'm still going to drop more. All you have to do for is just subscribe to this channel, like, hit that bell, and tell someone about what RG's technologies. But we are the one and only one that is going to break down every website details to you and hold you by your hand and make sure you get the knowledge. So with this, we call it a wrap, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.